What is up, guys? My name is Bailey and welcome back to another one of my videos. In this video I have a microphone from a company called ZealSound, and this one is a USB microphone that works for PC as well as Mac. So this microphone right here looks almost identical to the Blue Yeti microphone, and I actually do have the Blue Yeti in that black edition. So I just wanted to show you guys the quality of this microphone compared to that one. So let's go ahead and crack this one open. Now the reason you would probably get one of these microphones is because it is going to be kind of a budget-friendly option if you're starting out on YouTube, or if you're a gamer and want to get something that's a little bit better than the headphone mic that you currently have. So this right here on Amazon comes in at about 30 bucks or so. They do have coupons periodically, but I'll leave a link in the description down below to the cheapest pricing. Now this model is the K66 Plus, so you can see right here from the company ZealSound. It is a plug-and-play device, so all you do is you plug it into your USB and then you're pretty much good to go. So there are a lot of features to it. It lays it all out in this manual right here. I'm gonna set that to the side and show you guys the actual microphone here. So pulling this out, it is packaged quite nicely in the styrofoam so it doesn't get damaged in shipping. And then right here is the actual microphone. So let's pull this bad boy out. And this actually does come with a stand. So it comes with a stand right here. They do have the logoing on the bottom of the stand, ZealSound. See if it focuses here. ZealSound right there. And then let's open this up. Let's show you guys what the cable looks like here. So it's going to be a USB-C to a USB-A cable. The USB-C goes into the microphone, so it is nice that it is a USB-C instead of like a micro USB. So what you would do is you would plug this USB-C on the bottom of this mic. I'm going to show you guys all the ports on the very bottom. I'll flip this over. So if you guys do have a boom arm, you can attach this microphone to the boom arm on the very bottom. There is a port for your headphone jack, and then again this USB-C right there, and that plugs into your computer. So flipping this around, take this out and flip it around here and then plug it back in. This is essentially how it would be sitting on a desk. So the bottom of the stand does have a grippy material so it doesn't damage your desk, and it kind of stays in one place. And then on the very front of it, you do have some options here. So if you wanted to change the modes, there are 4 modes. This is kind of similar to the Blue Yeti. So there's cardioid, there's omni, there's bidirectional, and then there's stereo. So depending on what you want and what your needs are, you can change it to your preference. Then on the very bottom here, you can change the RGB. Right here, it's gonna be the mic as far as the noise reduction goes. You can click it to mute. There's a lot of features here, and the monitor, the plus and minus on the bottom right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and set this down, show you guys the microphone itself. So this is what the top looks like with the pop filter pulled off. So it's very nice of them to give you the pop filter. If you buy a Yeti, I don't believe it comes with a pop filter, but they do include this if you do like that pop filter on the mic. I know there's gonna be a lot of features to this mic, and me blurting out all the features and the specs on it don't really compare to an actual test. So instead of doing all of that, I'm gonna go ahead and plug this in and show you guys what it sounds like compared to a Blue Yeti mic. And you guys can use that as a video example to show you guys whether or not getting one of these budget mics is better than spending over $100 on a microphone. So I've got these 2 mics right here in front of me. The left mic is going to be the Blue Yeti, and then the one on the right is going to be the ZealSound mic. And you can tell the form factor is kind of similar. On the Blue Yeti, I do have a pop filter. I did have to buy this separately, so I'm going to pop that off and then pop off the pop filter on the ZealSound mic. And you can kind of tell, again, the form factor is very similar. This one is on a boom arm, and like I said, you can attach the boom arm on the bottom of this mic. But one thing that I kind of want to note here is that the material on it, you can definitely hear it and feel it. The Blue Yeti is like some type of aluminum. You can hear it here. And then on the ZealSound, it's some type of plastic. So you can definitely tell that the build quality is different. But if you're only caring for the mic quality, I'll show you guys what that kind of sounds like. One thing I want to kind of touch base on is that there is an RGB light on the microphone itself. So you can see that it is cycling through some colors here. You can change it by pressing this RGB button to whatever color you'd like. If you're trying to match your specific type of theme on your setup, you can change it to whatever color you'd like. And then one thing to note is that on the Blue Yeti, the mute button is going to be this red circle. So when you press it, it'll flash and that tells you that you are muted. And then on the ZealSound, it's kind of similar. If you press the mute button right here, this light on the top will turn red. And just like that, now you know that you're muted. If you want to be unmuted, you just press it again. And now you know you're unmuted. So that's pretty much it for these two mics. Let's go ahead and jump into the actual mic test and show you guys what that sounds like. So the very first test is going to be with the ZealSound microphone. This is going to be unedited. So this is what it currently sounds like. Testing 1, 2, 3. She sells seashells by the seashore. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. The second test is going to be with the Blue Yeti microphone, and this is going to be unedited. Both these microphones are placed the same distance away from my face, and this is what it currently sounds like. Testing 1, 2, 3. She sells seashells by the seashore. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. So listening to the audio of this microphone, it sounds like it is a little bit louder than the Blue Yeti. The Blue Yeti might be a little more clearer, but you guys can be the judge of that. You guys let me know if this mic is worth the $30 or if you guys would rather pay $100 for a Blue Yeti mic. You guys let me know in the comment section down below. But that's pretty much what I have for you guys in this video. If you guys want to check out this product, I'll leave a link down in the description down below to the cheapest pricing. If you guys have any questions at all regarding this or anything I mentioned in the video, I know this video is kind of short. I just wanted to show you guys what it sounds like compared to the Blue Yeti. That's what this whole video was all about. Just let me know if you guys have any questions about it. But like always, I'll catch you guys all in the next video. Peace.